So here's my candle experiment, part one. After a conversation I had with a friend of mine in Seattle, what I did is I went and picked up a couple pots, bricks, and just used some bolts as spacers. And I've been kind of playing around with this today. Just grabbed a small Christmas candle, and what I have found, go here, I believe that is a 4-inch pot. Take a couple spacers. And what we do is we take this one and put it on top. And then add something to keep the heat in. Now, I've messed with this a couple times, and this I just pulled apart. You can see right now it is 120. It's always hotter at the top, 159. And I have found that this will heat up to about 170, 155, 160, and then it tops 170. But here's an even better way to do it. Take it apart. These bolts are going to be hot, so let's pull these off. And you can use other clay pots as spacers. And then what we do is you're going to set this up with that on the bottom. Add that. Now this, it doesn't matter if it's one way or another, just as long as you're able to block off the top. So with one candle, this thing will heat up and the base will get warmer. Right now it's at 91. That's at 114. The top's at 93, and that's only because it's only been, not even barely a minute, a couple minutes. So this right here will heat up to about 175 to 200 degrees, warmer at the top than it is at the bottom. And I've found that when you stack them, when you have a heat shield, just with one candle, again, you're in that 155 to 175 degree range. Anyways, we'll come back, we'll check this out, but this is version 1, couple bricks, and then what I've done below, you can see there I've got a little base that I put the candle in that just kind of collects the extra wax. I would recommend putting down some tin foil or aluminum of some sort, just to collect the extra, the wax and runoff. Which you can see right there. There is some runoff from the candle. You can use these little teacher candles. I've seen that done. Again, this is just one candle. I'm curious to see how it would go with multiples. But the stack design seems to work a little better than the when you put the smaller pot inside the bigger pot. It tends to get a little more heat. I will do a second video. I'm going to give it about an hour, let everything heat up. We'll check it again. But as it sits right now, 113 at the top, 91 at the bottom, and it gets cooler as it goes down. And then again, this has been taken apart and put back together, but you can kind of see where we're at with that as the laser runs down. This whole setup is about $12, and if you have a small space, a van, a room, this will help to. And when I say room, I mean not 750 square feet. I'm talking smaller than that. Maybe bedroom size. This will help to add a little heat if you don't have any. But you're going to have to use more than one candle, that's for sure. Good luck.